Okay team, this is what we've got. Making an epic vegan curry. It's oil free, it tastes so good and it's so nutritious. So many colourful veggies you can put in it. Serve it with some rice, put in some legumes, get your proteins and all that. We've got some spices, so we've got black pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, turmeric, garam masala, oregano. You can put in coriander, you can put in whatever you want. But this is just like a basis of what I'd usually put in it. So I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. Let's go. Step one, you want to get your potatoes, peel them. You can leave some skin on if you want. Cut them into like little cubey thingies and then boil them in a pot. Dice your onion and chuck it in a biggish pot because you're going to saute some veggies in there. This is when you replace the oil for water. So you're going to put that in there and then let that kind of, you know, fry with the water. With all these spices, I just probably put about a tablespoon of like all of them except for pepper. That's what we've got, and then you just put it on the stove until the carrots begin to get a little bit soft, and then you add the next hardest veggie, which is the broccoli, and then you add capsicum, and then you add zucchini and mushrooms. So if you're a spicy person, you can chuck some spice in there too. That's going good, so is that. I'm going to add in the broccoli now to that. Let that cook a bit more. Cover it up so it can steam. May need to add some more water, so you can add some more water. And then you want to put like half a cup of any plant milk. I made my own. This is oat milk. I might make a recipe about that. You just pour that in because it'll help like thicken it and make it more creamy. Put all the veggies, turn it down to a simmer. And let the veggies just absorb all the juices and stuff. And then I put some spinach in last minute just so it can wilt and not boil like that. Just cover it, turn it off, strain your potatoes and add them to the veggies. Also add in the juice of like a quarter of a lemon in there. I'm going to use, yeah, just squeeze it in. Watch out for the pips though. You serve it with rice. And there you have it. I usually make like a tomato based one too, but this is like a different one that I've found, and it's like really creamy, and if you don't have tomato puree, you can just whip up some veggies, put in some curry powder, make your own oat milk, and you've got a curry. So good. To put the bloody chickpeas in. Just chuck them in when you're cooking though. I reckon the point when you put the potatoes in, put the chickpeas in too. And just give that a stir later on. Peace out. Go vegan.